Hi, welcome to my channel, you guys. So today I'm going to be doing some jerk chicken in a barbecue sauce. Now let's get started. These are the ingredients that I'm gonna be using. I'm gonna be using some jerk sauce, some chopped up onion, garlic, tomato, scallion, all-purpose seasoning, Maggi seasoning, salt, and black pepper. Alright, so you combine everything. You just let that marinate. Okay. So I'll see you next when I'm going to be preparing it. Okay, so this is the part where I greased my baking tin to put in my jerk chicken. It's gonna be placed in the oven. Also, remember to preheat your oven before you put in your chicken to be baked or jerk or whatever it is that you intend on putting in your oven. Always preheat your oven. So these are my ingredients that I'm gonna use for my sauce. Some brown sugar, I have orange, scotch bonnet pepper, some chopped up onions and garlic, some tomato ketchup, sweet honey sauce, and the red stripe is gonna be used for later on. So I'm just gonna add my onions and garlic to some oil. And just give that a toss around. Then I add my ketchup. The sweet honey sauce. And I squeeze off of the orange to my sauce. Give that a quick stir. Add some brown sugar to that sauce. Give it another stir and allow that to simmer down. So I wanted the jerk chicken to have a jerky, smoky kind of a citrus barbecue sauce. So this is what I'm gonna be doing now. Cheers. Remember, don't be a jerk unless you're eating jerk.